That sunrise is gorgeous.
Thank you.
Did you do that just for us, Mom?
No, that's me.
Oh, you are the sunrise.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
You wait just a few minutes and this happens.
What? All these people? I know, that's why I get y'all up early.
Good morning. You would see cars. But if you look to the right, you see more cars. But if you look straight ahead, you see more cars. But look behind you, you see
A bus.
cars.
Park opening be like. What's your favorite thing in Animal Kingdom? It's just always so pretty. It's so pretty here in the mornings. It's so pretty though. Like, look how green everything is and the way the light hits it. It's pretty. Like, I don't care how many times I see it, it's beautiful. So since we're girls, we've changed our minds again. And instead of doing Flight of Passage first thing, we purchased a Lightning Lane for a couple hours from now and we're going to Everest instead. Don't be nervous.
I'm nervous about the ride. I'm nervous about how far away my stomach is.
You are fine. Oh, Mr. Yeti, you shouldn't have done that.
Get it, best friend.
Yeah, see?
I never knew that was there.
Mel, how was Everest?
Good, as always.
So good
I
that
think, like, typically you'd have the lights off. I think, like, the lights were on inside. So
It
it's like you got to
was-
see inside of Everest.
it was much brighter than usual.
It was.
Like, for
I was
sure.
like,
You think it's because it's morning time and like the sun is bright?
Because I rode it in the afternoon for the first time, and I couldn't see.
Oh, okay.
And it was still kind of bright out, so I don't know.
Gotcha.
It was still fun, though. If you
So
come
what do
here,
we
you
do?
should ride it.
So what are we doing now?
We're doing it again.
We're doing it again.
Because it's still a 5-minute wait.
It's a
and-
5-minute
And the boys still don't have food,
Right.
so we're just riding it again.
So we're doing it again. Okay, where are we headed?
We're heading to the safari.
The safari. We dropped off Mel and Daddy, and they're gonna go do Everest and Flight of Passage.
Yeah.
Yep, and we're gonna go see some animals.
Yeah.
What animal are you excited to see the most?
Zebra.
Zebra, not the okapi?
Well, I like the okapi, but I like the zebra.
Okay.
I like the zebra because Z is the first letter of my name, and the zebra's first letter of its name is Z.
Love that. Love that.
They don't often swim. Instead, they'll actually walk or run along the bottom of whatever body of water that they're in. They are named that after the beautiful coats they have that do look like they were almost painted old. You'll notice on top of their heads, they do have kind of horn-looking things up there, but they're not actually horns. They're called ossicones. They're a part of the giraffes. They do get bright red and blue colorations on their bodies. You can cool them down up to 15 degrees.
Oh, I got you. Look at all of them.
This is our female herd. That baby finally is born. It's going to weigh between 200 and 300 pounds. It'll nurse from the mother the first 2 to 3 years. We have had 3 wings.
No, that's a bontebok.
There's only about 2. Lions are nocturnal, so they are going to make sure we're seated, guys.
Yeah,
Make sure
you
we're
see
seated.
All 3 of them are out, Zachary.
And that male lion is walking around.
There's a
Do you love it? Yeah? You want to keep walking?
I don't think that's okay.
Zachary, did we have the best safari ever? Yeah. What was your favorite animal that you saw?
Okapi.
The okapi. Of course. So not the giraffe? I just realized we didn't see any zebras. Did we? No, but it was still a good safari. Does 2 blinks mean yes? Okay.
start off your morning.
Absolutely.
Did it 4 times before 8:30.
Before you ate breakfast.
Exactly.
On purpose.
Yep.
And now we're headed to Festival of the Lion King for the first time in years. I'm excited. I think I'm the only one that's excited, but I'm excited.
I want to do Flight of Passage.
We are.
Expecting you, King. Welcome to my world. Oh, bring the dawn to my life. I just can't wait to be king. How you doing? Down worry, you're on flight, Timmy. Look at me.
You're looking good. Love you, Poopa.
What are you? All right, now move aside and send up. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet. Thank you, Maestro. If you please. The century. Be prepared for the murkiest scare. And we're gonna need everyone in these 2 sections to sing and clap along, okay? Like this. Fine, and Zawadi will sing the hard part. Okay, everyone in our 2 sections, sing and wave your hands over your head like this. Yes, that's it.
You too, Daddy.
The BB, observe.
We just saw that guy.
I know, right?
He lost weight.
Hi! Did you like the
I'm not a
festival?
character.
Did you like the festival show? Festival of the Lion
To
King?
make you happy, yes.
Thank you, I appreciate
It's like,
you.
say it over there.
That's what I'm saying. Even if you're lying, I don't care. 'Cause it's true.
At least I said it.
That's right. And now we have our lightning lane for Flight of Passage. And then we have no idea what we're doing for the rest of the day.
Everest.
You want to do Everest again?
No, but we're not.
No, okay. Can you see the fake waterfall from here? No, I don't think I can.
You can see it down there.
Yeah.
Apparently, they squirt you with water on the ride.
On what ride?
This one.
Yeah, we
The
knew
first
that.
time I rode it last trip.
So they didn't the last time you rode it with Daddy? But they did this time?
This time I did, but last time I didn't.
Oh, okay.
Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Our earliest history. Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar.
finishing up our day here at Animal Kingdom. We've ridden Everest 4 times, Flight of Passage twice, saw Festival of the Lion King, Navi. What else did we do? The Boys Rode Triceratops Bend. Yeah, all in about 3 hours. So
Yeah, I rode Everest 4 times before
8:30. So pro tip, get here at 7:30, even though it's not fun to get up early on vacation, right? Not fun at all.
Especially on a pull-up couch.
She's still like holding on against me. So anyway, we're closed out. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time.